Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you've been missing me for quite a long time because I haven't uploaded any videos. But now, don't worry because I'm back. So before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed my channel, all you have to do is click the red button and ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. So do you know what this video is all about? No, this isn't a poetry recitation video, nor is this a story narration video. Today, I am going to play Happy Birthday on my keyboard. So if you want to learn how to play Happy Birthday, then do watch the video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, I'll play slow for you to understand and then fast. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear name. Happy birthday to you. Now I'll play it fast. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shrinika. Happy birthday to you. So if you've learned something new from this video, do give it a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below which should be the next song I play, and you'll get the notes of this song in the description box below. Thanks for watching.